Hello, my name is Dr. Rajen Cooppan, and I'm here to tell you about the Diabetes Masterclass. You know, diabetics living with this dreadful disease experience an extremely poor quality of life, and largely this is due to ignorance. Now, there are 7 critical areas that diabetics have to master in order to experience quality of life. And if you are making any one of these 7 critical errors, then your diabetes will not successfully be controlled. For the first time, we've brought together the critical information that will help you to correct each of these 7 errors that you might be making. The control of your diabetes is really dependent on knowledge, what to do, when to do, how to do. And so we cover these 7 critical areas, focusing on what is the right kind of diet, how to bring your insulin resistance under control, how to improve your nutrition, how to manage your stress, what is the right kind of exercise that diabetics need to do, how to manage your immunity, and lastly, how to bring down your excess weight if that is a problem for you. And so each of these modules takes about 40 minutes to share with you and will be covered in a day-long program that starts at about 8:30 a.m. and we finish at about 4 p.m. There are teas and an amazing lunch that will give you a first-hand experience of how to eat properly. Now, our clients or patients that have already attended the Diabetes Masterclass have reported after a month or so tremendous improvement in their diabetic control. Blood sugars are down to normal. The HbA1c is in better control. And more importantly, they're experiencing tremendous improvement in their energy. They look more vibrant, they feel more vibrant, they are enthusiastic about life again. And all of this just from changing some little things that we will be sharing in the Diabetes Masterclass. So if you're one of those diabetics that is struggling with diabetic control, peripheral neuropathy, all sorts of complications, it's not the end of the road. There is amazing information that we have brought together for you that will revolutionize the way you feel and the way you handle and manage your diabetes. So investing some time in learning about what exactly creates the imbalance in your body when you're diabetic. This is critical information if you want to really master this disease. They're not difficult concepts, but once you learn them in the correct way, you will be able to put together a very simple corrective program for yourself and watch how your diabetes begins to respond to this. Over the last 40 years, I've been managing patients with diabetes, and we've taught them one-on-one these concepts. But for the first time, we've brought it together so that groups of people can experience it and benefit from this knowledge. Every one of these patients that has put into practice these pivotal concepts have reported enormous changes in their diabetes in a positive way, to the point where many of them have been able to come off their medication. And so this is a program that is going to revolutionize your quality of life if you are diabetic. Now, here's the most interesting thing. The program is not just for diabetics. It's people who have insulin resistance sitting in the background. So if you have a family history of diabetes, the program is going to be very valuable for you. If you are already overweight or tending to become overweight, then insulin resistance is a problem, and this program will benefit you there. If you are pre-diabetic, coming from a family that has a history of diabetes, well worth your time to invest to know about this now before you become diabetic. And if you have polycystic ovarian syndrome, which is an insulin resistance driven condition, most valuable information for you. So please do share this information with friends, family, colleagues who may have these problems, and help them to also make the change in their lives. The Diabetes Masterclass runs once a month in the major centers in South Africa. And if you would like to know more about it, please go to www.drcooppan.com/seminars. You can also call 031 309 3036 to get more information about tickets and when the next masterclass is going to be held. So we invite you to participate in this amazing program and share with your friends and family who may also be diabetic so that they too can experience this change in their quality of life. Hopefully we'll see you at one of our diabetes masterclasses. Thank you.